All right, hello. This video is going out to Olaitan, who is a kindergarten and pre-K teacher and who had a question about and setting up classwork and homework assignments. So again, thank you so much for submitting your question. And here we go. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to head over to your Google Classroom. So here we're using our demo account and you're going to click Classwork. I'm going to assume that you already have students added to your classroom, which is where the people are, right? Because students have to be added to your classroom in order for them to see the work. So that's something that you're probably going to have their parents do because I'm assuming that pre-K babies and kindergartners are not going to be able to do that on their own. So once you have your students added, you're going to go to Classwork and you're going to click Create. You're going to then click Assignment. And I might title this assignment ABC. So read pages 1 to 2 and answer questions. Again, I'm going to assume that these assignments, these students are going to receive support from their parents in completing these tasks. Next, you're going to head over to add, right? So I'm telling students to read pages 1 to 2 and answer questions. So now I'm going to add the questions that I created for students. Now, I have several options. I can choose something that I already created in Google Drive, where I'm going to go to my drive and then click an assignment. So I might click here, I'm going to click demo assignment. It's just a fake assignment that I have. And then depending on what I want the students to do with this document. So let's say this is the reading. I just want them to read it. I'm going to allow the students to review the file, right? So everyone can open the file and look at it. Now let's say that these are the questions that I want students to use. I'm going to click make a copy for each student. Why? Because when I click make a copy for each student will receive their own copy. They can write in their responses and then submit it back to me without compromising the original document and not writing into each other's document. Okay, and then let's say I have a video that I want the students to see that goes along with it, right? I'm going to click YouTube and then I have two options. I can type in a topic, ABC, and then some videos about ABCs are going to pop up. Or if I already knew the URL, I can copy and paste it here and the video would pop up. So let's just add the first video here about ABCs. Here we go, ABC. Right, so now my kiddies can see this video about ABCs and then they can go on ahead and answer those questions. The next thing that I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to 4. And 4 is telling me is asking me, who am I sending this assignment to? So I'm going to choose. So I might say it's going to go to my period 1 class or my period 2 class. Let's say I wanted to go to 2 classes. I can click both classes and then it'll go to all students. Now I want you to note something. When I clicked 2 classes, did you notice that over here all students went dim? Because when you choose more than one class, it doesn't give you the option to select which students you're assigning it to. So that's something to keep in mind. I'm going to make this assignment worth 10 points. And let's say I want my little kitties to have this done by Wednesday. I can choose a time if I want to, but I'm not going to choose a time. Now, you had a question about classwork and homework, right? The process for uploading classwork and homework assignments are exactly the same. The only difference is if you want to create little topics so that students can know this is a homework assignment or this is a classwork assignment. So when I click topic, I'm going to create a topic to let students know that this is their classwork for the day. And then what happens is, so now I'm going to click assign so that the students can see the work. So it's going to take a little bit of time. So now it's assigning it to my class. And now when my babies go on, they're going to be able to see this is classwork, right? And if I want, I can create new topics. So let's say I have another assignment, and I'm going to call this ABC homework. Complete homework, right? So let's just say I'm going to keep the direction simple, complete homework. And I'm going to add a file. So I can add a file from a link. Let's say I found something on another website. I can add a file from my personal computer, YouTube, or Google Drive. So I'm going to, again, just choose a fake assignment from Google Drive. I'm going to make a copy for each student because, again, I want each student to be able to do this assignment independently. I'm going to make this assignment worth 10 points again. But for this time, I'm only going to give the homework to one class. And that's going to be just a demo account. The homework is going to be due Thursday, and I'm not going to put a time. And now for topic, I'm going to create a new topic, and this topic is going to be homework. Nope, spelled homework wrong. And this topic is going to be homework, and now I'm going to click assign. And so you see that? So now my kids can see, oh, this is where all my homework is going to go. This is where all my classwork is going to go. And you can move these. Let's say you want classwork to come first because it makes it easier for students to see classwork than homework. You can just easily move that. So that's how you add classwork and homework assignments. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for subscribing to my page. Feel free to submit additional questions or let your friends know, your other teacher friends, your colleagues know about this site, and we'd be more than happy to provide them with assistance. Thank you and have a great day.